Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived on board the gorgeous Crystal Serenity for our 9-night New England cruise from Quebec City to New York. And we are in a Sapphire Veranda Suite, so let's take a look. We're thrilled to be here. It's our first time sailing on Crystal Serenity, and we've heard wonderful things, so we're very excited. When you come into the suite, you can see it's just huge and beautiful. There's a lovely dining table with 2 comfortable chairs in our living room. We have a separate living room, separate from the bedroom. We've got a great big desk that's beautifully lit, and reusable water bottles and a bottle of wine. Got a coffee service, and then down here we have our mini fridge with another bottle of wine and more beverages. All of your beverages are included on board. The ships are all inclusive on board. So all of your beverages, your Wi-Fi, your gratuities, your specialty dining, everything is included, and all the suites and guest rooms have butler service, which is just wonderful. So coming over into the living room, you can see there's gorgeous artwork on the walls. Got these end tables with more storage in these drawers. You got US, USB, and European plugs. Great big sofa, which is just beautiful. And the sofa is not a sleeper, which is great. That's fine. Got a welcome bottle of champagne, which is wonderful. And you get a glass of champagne when you board the ship, which is also wonderful. Another comfortable chair. Bushnell binoculars you can use while you're on board. Beautiful flat screen TV. And we have a double wide balcony, since this is a Sapphire Suite. So let's take a look. It's a gorgeous veranda, gorgeous balcony, double wide with 2 comfortable chairs and a nice table, so you can eat out on your veranda or in your suite, since 24-hour room service is included, or have a beverage of your choice as you watch the world go by. And coming back into the suite, you go into the bedroom, separate bedroom, and there's a curtain here to close off the sitting area from the bedroom. Got a beautiful king-size bed, and the beds are lofted, so you can put your luggage underneath the bed if you like, and they can be made up as twin beds if you prefer. We got great big night tables on both sides of the bed with US, USB, and European plugs, and you have a great big flat screen TV. You have another door out onto your veranda. So double wide veranda, and great big bedroom. Another night table with more storage space, more controls for the light, and more plugs. It's just beautiful. And this is our bathroom. So you've got a double vanity and a great big backlit mirror. Got tons of storage space underneath the vanity for your toiletries, and racks so they don't move around at sea. Got the facilities, of course, and a great big walk-in shower. So a rain shower head and a shower wand, and a bench there if you need it or want it. But yeah, this is a huge shower. And then behind the door, got all kinds of storage space and shelves with towels and lots of space for your belongings, and the Ortigia amenities, which are included. They're very nice. And then you come over here, there's a separate door back out into the suite. And on the opposite side of the entryway is our walk-in closet, which is just gorgeous. You can see how big it is. Tons of hanging space on both sides with shelves for more storage. Got robes and slippers you can use while you're on board. And there's an umbrella you can use while you're on board too. Got blankets, more storage space, and a safe for your valuables. So, safe for your valuables. So just gorgeous. A gorgeous Sapphire Veranda Suite on the wonderful Crystal Serenity. So when you're ready to book your next small ship cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.